Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you view an age restricted video. So first of all, I'm going to open up my YouTube, and on the top right you see the settings, my profile. You press that, and now we're going to go to our settings. There we're going to go to general and scroll all the way to bottom, and we're going to find, sorry, it's right here. You see this restricted mode. So if this is turned on, that could possibly hide some videos and stuff like that, so you need to turn this off. And now most probably you will be able to see that video, but in case you are still not able to view the video, that possibly means that you are actually under 18. So what you can do to bypass that is that you tap on there again and you press manage your Google account, and now you're just gonna have to change your personal info and you change your birth date in such a way that you will be over 18 years old. And that's pretty much what needs to be done. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.